Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video here on rain.gg. We have 150 coins in our balance today. And yeah, let's see what we can turn it into. Hopefully this session turns out good. But right before we start, we have a leaderboard right now. Top prize 150 coins, second 75, third 50, the fourth 25. So all you gotta do to enter like the leaderboard is you go in here on deposit, you type code Vaulty, you press here to 7 days and press apply. Let's get straight into it. Okay, I'm gonna start off here with 28 coins, 3 versus 3 jackpot mode. Just to see a bit how our ticket start today. And yeah, so it's a bit of smaller battle, but yeah. Okay, let's go. Yesterday I was out partying a lot. I was drinking so much, so I'm kind of hungover right now. Oh, okay, they get the rain spin. Yeah, I'm kind of hungover. Ugh. We did a lot of partying. Okay, that's a gold. How much is that? 37. Okay, that's good. He hit on the bad case. Okay, no, it's... I'll take a snooze here to up my luck a bit. Come on, we need rain spins. Okay, do they get one? No. We need one though. Can we get one? Please. Okay, that's purple. 2 purple. They get 1 purple. Okay, we have a bit of chance. Red, yellow. No, that's not us. Okay. We don't seem to have that good of tickets, but maybe it will change. We will see. 22 coins, 2 versus 2, jackpot mode. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Please hit 10% there, please. Okay, not for them. Alright, that's not for them. Can we hit one though? Please. Okay, they hit one. Oh, come on. We need to hit something. Okay, that's a purple. Could have been worse. Come on, give us a hit. Stop! No. Going way too fast. Okay, stop. No. Okay. If we win, this is a miracle. But it's not even money back if we do. Yeah, okay, we do not win it. Okay. 32 coin battle. I'm gonna go this time 3 versus 3. Crazy mode, jackpot mode. Yeah. No, we do get a one. We do get one. Okay, it's on the worst case though. It might be fun. Fine, not fun. Fine. Okay, it's a red. How much is it? 20 maybe? Yeah, 25. Okay, we can easily get back from that. Okay, they pull one. Give them gold, maybe. Give them a gold one, please. Okay, they get the purple one. That's probably not much at all. Yeah, only 12. Give the bottom guys more. Okay, that guy get one. That's good. That's really good. Okay, come on, give him a gold one. Gold. Okay, that's a purple. How much is that? 22. All right. No, do not hit that. Do not hit that. Good. Okay, that's good. Another one on the bottom. Getting gold this time. Gold. Come on, give them a gold one. Oh, those shadow daggers maybe. Okay, that's at least a gold one. How much is that? 114. That's really good. Come on. Okay, we do get one. That's not good because he has a lot of percent. Come on, give him a purple one. Okay, you get the red one. How much is that? 44. Okay, red. Nice! Let's go. Nice. That's a really good win. 85. We're up at 150 again. That's really good. Okay, 50 coin battle. 3 versus 3, crazy mode, jackpot again. Let's go. Come on, let the bottom guys hit. Okay. Okay, they get the rain spin. That's good. Give them gold maybe. Okay, they get the deagle. How much is that? Okay, 32. That's a good start. No, that guy could not hit. That's not good. That's not good at all. We need 2 people on the bottom to hit. Okay, how much is that? That's kind of good now. 40. Yeah, we need 2 people on bottom to hit. I can't hit. I can't hit. I can't hit. Oh my gosh, this is not good. This is not good. I get a gold. And he also get a gold. This is big battle. Big battle. Come on, let green hit. At least green. Come on, let green hit. Please. Please let green hit. Okay, he get another hit. We need green to hit. Okay, this is a big battle. Holy shit, how much is that? 144. Green, you gotta hit. No. That was last case, no? Yellow, 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 yellow. No! Ah, shit, that was a good battle. Ow, ow, ouch. I'm gonna try something I never done. Like, I never done it. I'm gonna try a shared mode battle. I know it's kind of boring to look at, but yeah, I just gotta try it. We go 3 players, shared mode. Okay, let's try it. I will probably never do it again, but yeah. I just wanna try it once at least. Okay, I will have a bot also. Maybe the bot is cracked and pulls insane. Nice. Okay, that's good. We just gotta keep it in this gold spins, and this is good. And then get gold in them. Ooh, go down. Nice. How much is that? 50. Okay, that's a good start. Yeah, okay. God damn it. This is not good. 23 only. Yeah, that was not smart. I'm never doing that again. I hit last, so I'm gonna go 3-way. Crazy act mode. Okay, let's go. Let the bots hit. Let the bots hit. Come on, please let the bots hit, please. Yeah, okay, is no one gonna hit anything? At least not me, come on. Let the bot hit now, please. Help! Okay. We have a chance here. Pull gold and then be blue on the jackpot. Go down. Okay, blue now. Please, blue. Blue! Give me blue, give me blue. Stay! Yes! Yes, boys! Oh my god. Oh my gosh, boys. Let's go! 230 in our balance. Okay, 81 coin battle. 3 versus 3. Normal mode. Yeah, I'm gonna go normal mode this time. I didn't hit anything last time, so hopefully we can pull big here. Oh shit, the battle started. Okay, double. Okay, this can be good. This can be good. Come on, double gold. Double gold. Double gold. Okay, 1 gold, 1 purple. How much is it each? 120 and 78. Okay, this is good. Good start. Good fucking start. Okay, they get 1. They get 1. Okay, this is the budget 10% knife. How much is that? 100, alright. We're 100 above them right now. We just gotta see some more gold spins on the top. Come on, more gold spins on the top. Okay, stop. Nice, another one. Nice, nice, nice. Gold, give me gold. Okay, how much is that? 89, alright, that's amazing. Keep going. Okay, another brain spin. Okay, please, gold now, gold now. Okay, that's a red at least. How much? 112. Holy shit, I'm pulling. I'm pulling, I'm pulling, I'm pulling. Okay, that's such a good win. Such a good win. That's so good. We're up at 339. I'm gonna do the last battle of the video. Last battle of the video. It's gonna be a crazy one. Last battle of the video, boys. Come on, hit bot. I mean, please hit bots. This can pay huge if it hits. Okay. Alright. Can we get the money back? No. Alright, boys. I think that's it for this video. We ended up 2xing our money. So that's really amazing. Do not forget to join our leaderboard. Top prize 150, second 75, and it goes on. All you gotta do is use code Vaulty. Press here to 7 days and then apply. You get 5% deposit bonus, you join the leaderboard and you support us. So see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.